serving sexy. Netta Monroe, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I came and recorded. Life has been hectic. Y'all know I was planning a wedding. Y'all know COVID was going on. I had like 3 wedding dates. It was just crazy, and I'm so happy to be back. But if you know from the title of this video, your girl is wearing clip-ins right now, and I am living. Your girl is alive. Today I'm collaborating with Amazing Beauty Hair, wearing their amazing Yaki straight texture clip-in extensions. All of their information will be down in the description box. Also, all of my information is down in the description box as always. And you might see I have changed my, well, I haven't changed my Instagram name. I have started a new Instagram because I felt like my I Am Netta Monroe page was more geared towards doing clients' hair. It's more geared towards like my work in the salon. And I wanted to make a page that was really me because I do these clothing hauls, I do these reviews and everything, and I'm just starting over and resetting. So make sure you follow me on @NETTAmonroe_Mac for that. Before we get into the video, make sure that you click that subscribe button. And now y'all about to see me without my weave in. So this is my natural hair. I blew my hair out last Friday, and this is the following Wednesday. And my hair just does not last. It just does not. My hair will never stay a silky straight. I am 100% natural. I do not run a flat iron back through my hair over and over and over again to try to keep it straight. I walk out in the rain. I sweat in my sleep at nighttime. Like your girl just, you know, I just be living life without a care, honestly. And that's why wigs work best for me. But nevertheless, this is my hair, and I knew how I am with my real hair while it's out, so I chose to get the Yaki straight texture, and I got both 18 and 20 inch. So I got a set of 18 and a set of 20, and so I have worn these. If you follow me on my new Instagram @NETTAmonroe_Mac, then you have seen it already. So in each box, it comes with an extra set of clips, a big tooth comb. This one is green, the other one they sent me is blue in the other box, and then these alligator clips. I love these. I love these. They hold hair for life. Like what? So this is how thick the 18-inch set is, and I knew that this was not going to be enough for me. I needed like 1.5 because of how my hair kind of sets out. I needed something that I wasn't going to be able to really clock my real hair from the extension. So each set comes with 1 piece with 1 clip, 3 pieces with 2 clips on it. Pulling them out right now. So this is 3 separate pieces with 2 clips on it, and then it comes with 2 pieces with 3 clips on it. So this is the 2 with the 3 clips, and then it comes with 1 piece with 4. So in both of my sets, I have that same exact number of hair extension pieces. So here's my piece with 3. I'm going to take my large tooth comb and I'm going to part, going from pretty much ear to ear, but in back. And then I'm going to grab all of the rest of my hair and clip it up with this alligator clip. Open the clips up, and then I'm going to clip it. So that's how you're going to do it. You just go through, you're going to part your hair. So I'm doing the next one because I got 2 sets. Alright, so now we're on the next set of 3. So after those first 2 rows, I like to go ahead and start parting from here to here, kind of like, is that temple to temple? I believe it is. But yeah, kind of like temple to temple. I'm going to go ahead and clip this up. And I'm gonna take this set of 4. I'm still gonna center this set in the back. And then I'm going to take 2 sets of the 2 and put them both on the sides. Hold up, husband calling. Yeah, babe. Alright, I'm back. So now all I have left is a set with 2 clips on it and a piece with 1 clip on it. So I'm going to try to center those all together and make them one piece and start in the back. So this right clip on the one with 2, I'm putting that straight in the middle. And then clipping the other clip on that one. So now I'm going to take the final piece of the 20-inch set and add that right onto the right side of that, and so the whole 20-inch set is in. If I was to space this out more on my head, it wouldn't look as bad as what I'm about to show you. Alright y'all, so this is why I requested 2 sets. This does not look good, and I knew already that it wasn't going to look good with just 1 set because of how thick my hair sets out, and then this is like so it's almost like you know, a little mullet, like a little long mullet or whatever. And so I needed 2 sets. Like I said before, if you got thinner hair, then 1 set would be okay. If you have like my kind of density hair, you probably need 2 sets. And if you had like if you got thick hair, then you probably, I wouldn't even put it past you. I wouldn't even fault you if you need 3. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and speed on through putting in this 18-inch set and be back. So I'm gonna run and throw a couple bends in my real hair. The extensions still have a little bit of curl to them. I wore them on Thanksgiving and they have like full blown baboon curls in it, and it's still holding on, which is crazy. So I'm gonna be right back so they all blends together better. So I done threw a couple bends in my real hair, like right in this area, and just blended everything right on in, and I love it. I loved my hair on Thanksgiving. I love my hair right now. I'm about to go take a whole lot of pictures. This Yaki straight texture blends perfectly with my natural hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, I would love to chit chat with y'all. It's been such a long time. Y'all make sure you check out Amazing Beauty Hair. I'm gonna leave their link down in the description box. And if this texture doesn't really match your texture, they have other textures. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Please do not forget to like this video. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.